Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. Today we're looking at the new 2021 Forest River RV XLR Boost 21 QBS. This toy hauler MSRPs at $41,730, but is available at the Zoomer's low price of $27,375. It has a 14-foot 2-inch garage. It's 27 feet long, weighs 6,310 pounds, and has one slide. Now we'll look inside. First, here we have swivel chairs. And fold-down sofas. And a removable table. Up above we have an electric bed. And here is the kitchen. The microwave, an oven and stovetop, and here's our refrigerator. The entertainment center with a fireplace and TV. Here is the bathroom. Sink and cabinetry. And your shower. And mirrored cabinet. Here we have the bedroom. A mirror along the wall and dresser with drawers and a wardrobe in the wall as well. If you are interested in this toy hauler, contact us or inquire online at zoomersrv.com.